Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a baking video from Jane Patisserie's new cookbook. I'm doing the brownie cupcakes and this is how I made them. I first went in with Flora plant-based butter, the unsalted one, and I added 100 grams of this into my bowl with 100 grams of dark chocolate chips. I then melted these over a pan of hot water and melted them until combined. Once they had combined, I set this aside to cool to room temperature. I then, in a separate bowl, added 2 medium eggs and mixed these together until they formed a nice light colour. I then added the melted chocolate and butter mix and mixed this together. I used a spatula and just folded this through. To that I then sifted 50 grams of plain flour and again folded that in. I then as well added 25 grams of cocoa powder and sifted that into the mixture and folded it in as well. Now here I kind of made a little mistake. I put too many dark chocolate chips in. As you see later, I do actually make another batch because these ones I burnt, but I actually only added 150 grams. The recipe suggests 75 dark chocolate chips and 75 grams of milk chocolate chips. I just used dark chocolate chips. Also, how cute are these little cupcake cases? I then just put in a small amount of the mixture into each cupcake case. Then I just put them into the oven for 20 minutes at 180. However, I put them in the oven for 20 minutes on 230°, so that's why they burnt. Here I am making the butter icing, so in a bowl I'm just putting 125 grams of unsalted butter, and I actually put 300 grams of icing sugar because I just wanted to do that, and I mixed those together. As you can see here, I do add little splashes of milk in just to help emulsify the icing. To add a little bit of flavour, I put a capful of vanilla extract into the icing. This is also optional, but I separated the mixture into two and added pink into one bowl and purple into the other. To be honest, it would do just like that. So the icing actually went a little bit downhill. Here you can see I am putting my piping bag into a glass, which is a good handy little trick, and I put half of one of the mixtures at one side and the other at the other side. The nozzle that I used wasn't big enough and it kind of just didn't work out. I ended up just using a knife and kind of blending it all together. So, taste test. These are the buns. Oh, I might just take a... So, taste test. Oh, paper crumbles. Play. So, okay. So, taste test. I'm going to taste one with the pink icing. So I wanted to prove that I can actually bake, and I re-baked them. I'm going to have a little one just to show you that. Oh, I think it's the paper that's rubbish. So as you see, I actually did remake them, and the second batch was so much nicer. So yeah, I don't know why these clips are a bit blurry, but anyway. But if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again with another video on Friday. Thanks for watching.